Today we're in Thornden Park in Syracuse, and I think we might be at the highest point in the city. I mean,
feels very tall.
Yeah, but there's so much to see. Let's go explore. So we were up this hill, and we're actually going to go down to the other corner of the park and check out the rose garden, which is in full bloom right now. Let's go. Look at all the flowers.
Do you think these plaques are accurate? Like, is that Lady Ursula a hybrid tea rose from 1908? Because that'd be really cool if that's still the same flowers. Like rose for your presents.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, this one's got another little label.
Yeah. Roses everywhere. Roses, roses. The rose of roses. Roses of roses.
Roses and roses.
Rose of roses. A recent graduate is getting her picture taken over there. So according to a little article that's a few years old, there are about 4,000 rose bushes in these gardens. 29 different classes of roses, from climbers to hybrids, and about 385 different varieties. And I think it's going to be difficult to see or spot all of them. So let's take a look at more as we go. It says it's the Crimson Rambler. It sounds like a bandit's name or something, but it looks really beautiful. Look at how it goes all the way up. It's pretty amazing. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. There's one over here that says it's called the 4th of July, but it really looks like fireworks. Fireworks.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that look like it could be 4th of July? And it is a climber.
Look at that one.
Wow, that's huge.
So this at one point was Countryside Gardens, and the city purchased it after it was left for a little while, and they decided to do a rose garden. I think I've got that right. If I have that wrong, leave a comment down below if you know. But also, it's tough to imagine that this was countryside, because SU is right there. There's Syracuse University right next door. Speaking of the age of this place, they're celebrating their 100th year of this park being a city park. Pretty cool. You could say the gardeners here really know their bee's knees.
Is this the prima donna? Or is this the big moment? The world may never know. It's what roses look like. It's just incredibly gorgeous. Doesn't it look like it's made out of frosting?
There's one called Reba McEntire. It's gotta be that one, I would think. Or is it this one over here? It's probably this one. It's closest to the sign. Look, it's Gizmo from Gremlins. Yeah, don't feed him after we die.
They're so cute.
So even though we could look at roses all day, we're actually gonna go up to the amphitheater just to see what that's all about. So check it out. Yeah. E.M. Mills Memorial Rose Garden. It's pretty awesome. Syracuse is beautiful. Yeah, wow, there's people picnicking, walking. That's nice. Oh yeah, there's that building that we were standing next to earlier. Yeah. Trickling fountain right now. I think this is the park where they have been uncovering these old brick pathways. They actually had to, I read they had to go back to different maps of the park just to figure out where some of them were. But they've been uncovering them.
They look really cool.
Yeah, here's where this brick walkway just kind of ends. But it's under there someplace. And then over here, we just found this herb garden.
It's so cute.
Dedicated in 1941. Created by Florence Davis.
There's some lavender.
Oh. What else do they have? Yeah, is this still?
I don't know. It looks like really serious still.
Yeah, this is something else. This is like a real herb of some type.
It's huge. What does it smell like?
Poison oak. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, here's some of this. That's like brick underneath. And I know there were a lot of volunteers. I'll try to figure out who was volunteering and organizing it, and I'll leave that in the description down below if you want to help them out. So I'm sure they're still doing it. It's just a pandemic thing that they had to stop. Yeah, it's like, where's Waldo? Hey, can't even tell it was here. Secret bricks.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of tell where it is though. But it's just hidden. Let's see. Oh, I thought it was the Ice Cream Man coming through.
No, just college.
It's a different song. So it turns out we made a slight error in calculations, and the amphitheater's over that way. So we're gonna go over there. But at least we saw that.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I read all about that brick walkway, but didn't know where it was. And there it is.
I found it by accident.
Yeah, there it is, beyond that fence. And what did they perform there?
No, Shakespeare in the Park. I think this is where they do it.
Oh,
I've never been to one, but I would Love to.
Let's go through these old gates. Oh, there's a flower on this gate. Wow. That's huge.
Yeah.
Why is this so large?
For Shakespeare in the Park.
Wow, check this out. It's huge. This is amazing.
I know.
Why does Syracuse hide all its cool stuff?
Because there's so much cool stuff.
It's
They
true.
Get bogged down. So we found him at the zoo last time we went. It's really cute. You're supposed to hide him someplace in the 315 area code. So we're gonna let him watch a performance.
What is it? Like 315? It has a hashtag, right?
315 rocks.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, he's gonna watch the next Shakespeare in the Park.
Yeah.
Right, Bob? You're gonna like love it.
Or if you see him here, it says you can either hide him again and...
Or you can keep him if you want to. He is pretty great. Whoever did him did a really great job.
Yeah, he certainly did. And there's actually another one that was just up that way, and we left that. So if you discover that one, that's because we left it there.
Yeah.
But
We don't want to take all the rocks.
yeah, it does rock. See you, Bob. So do you want to take your mark here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we did get a little lost coming to the amphitheater, but it was pretty awesome. But the rose garden, that's amazing.
Yeah, and this makes me so happy.
Yeah.
As a drama club dweeb grown up, it
Yeah.
makes me so happy.
It's pretty incredible. Wow.
I know.
But I think we're gonna end it here, and you know, I think everyone should go get lost.
But in a good way.
See you next time. Bye.
So you want to do some Shakespeare?
Alas, for your, I knew him well, Horatio.